Hi, and welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm your host, Jessa Jeremiah, and we have a fantastic show for you today. Later in the show, we're going to talk to some folks with Mad Cat. We're going to check in with some local businesses. We've got some news partners on the roster today, and we're going to start by talking dental. I'm joined now by Dr. Joe Ferrero and Dr. Dalibor Plekas from Four Lakes Family Dental. Thank you so much for being with us.
You're welcome.
Thank you for having us.
So I'm excited to learn a little bit more about your office, but first, just tell us a little about yourselves.
Well, my name is Joe Ferraro. I've been practicing dentistry for 33 years, a graduate of Marquette University School of Dentistry. Been married for 38 years. My wonderful wife, Cynthia, and we have 4 children, a son and 3 daughters, and now 2 grandsons.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
So exciting.
My name is Dalibor Plekas, and I'm a recent graduate, actually, of Indiana University School of Dentistry in Indianapolis, and that's also where I did my residency. I graduated last year, and ever since then I've been working at Four Lakes Family Dental.
Sounds like a great place to work. And I want to know a little bit about what makes you sort of stand out from other dentists in the area.
Yeah. So at Four Lakes Family Dental, we focus on comprehensive treatment for patients. So we're able to perform various dental procedures, anything simple from fillings to more complex procedures like implant placements or even some orthodontic work through Invisalign. And we're able to do this because we utilize various technology that's most up to date. It's actually really up to date.
You're on sort of the cutting edge of technology, which makes a huge difference when you're talking about patient care and what you're able to do for them.
We're also able to do most of the procedures in office, so that means fewer visits that are required to get treatment completed.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. Let's talk a little bit more about that technology. When you say, you've got really up-to-date, newer technology, what is it? What does that mean?
Yeah. So we utilize various things from CT, cone beam CT scans, and these are special 3-dimensional X-ray images that let us look at the anatomy of the face or the jaw or a specific area of the jaw in a lot more detail. Obviously that helps us a lot with the assessment and treatment planning. We also look at, we have intraoral scanners. Intraoral scanners help us a lot with, practically we're able to eliminate traditional impressions altogether, and we all know how uncomfortable those can be.
Yeah, I'm fine living without those.
Yeah, and we have intraoral cameras which really help with comprehensive exams, so that's something that we utilize to help patients understand the big picture and help them understand what we're looking at. Also, as far as gum therapy is concerned, we do utilize modern antibiotic therapy as well as laser therapy.
Wow.
So that's something that we're very proud of.
Yeah, that's a long list of up-to-date technology to make our lives a little easier.
We also have diagnostic equipment too that can detect early decay in teeth, so we can treat earlier to prevent bigger problems later. And one's called Diagnodent. It's a laser that can actually see decay on the chewing surfaces of teeth.
Wow.
And another one's called Logicon. It's a software that can look at the in-between surfaces of the teeth to see early decay.
That's really helpful. Yeah, absolutely. Catch it up front. Save yourself some time and pain later. I want to talk about your community involvement. What have you done in the community?
Well, we annually we do a free dental day. So we realize in the community there's many people that just are not able to get needed care done. So it's more basic services that we provide that day, but we help a lot of folks. We also do some community outreach where we go out for public awareness. Last summer we went to Cornfest and we were giving out floss and just educating patients on needed dental care.
Boy, that's a great place for a dentist to be, Cornfest. I think that's hilarious, yeah.
This month is Oral Cancer Awareness Month, and for every patient that blows a bubble gum bubble in our office, we're donating money to oral cancer research and awareness.
Excellent, that's great. Let's talk a little bit, before we go here, we don't have too much time left, but the main procedures that you do, you touched on some of it when you're talking about technology, but what are the big things that people see you for?
So the big things that we do, so obviously we mentioned fillings, crowns, those are more on the simple side, but we also do more extensive procedures such as dentures, implant placements, we mentioned that, and Invisalign treatment to correct people's smiles, but also the positioning of the teeth. And we also do MyoBrace appliance, and that's something that's very useful for our younger patients, for our pediatric patients. That helps correct the growth of the jaw as they grow. So that way, in their teen years, we can avoid a lot of potentially expensive dental work and orthodontic work. And also root canals. So we do root canals. So it's really nice that we're able to provide all of that for our patients under one roof.
You bet. Wow. Well, it sure has been nice talking to the two of you. This is Dr.
Thanks.
Joe Ferraro and Dr. Dalibor Plakas with 4 Lakes Family Dental. I appreciate your time.
Oh, you're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thanks for
We've got
having us.
more Talk of the Town coming up after this, so stay with us.